Hey arbitrage traders, I have one for you today, and today we'll be talking about the coin arbitrage bot. Yes, I've talked about this severally before, but then I had to talk about it again, and this is simply because a lot of people want to find they are looking for free arbitrage tools on the internet and some things they can use without paying so much or not paying at all right? So Coinarbitragebot is one of them, and if you're an arbitrage trader, which means you trade a lot of arbitrage, then this is for you. All right, now this video do not teach you how to make money, because of course we are trying to eliminate anything about get rich quick scheme. This video is for people who really want to learn about arbitrage, who are starting out with very little capital, and they want to use all the tools they can lay their hands on. So this tool is very similar to your coin market cap, but then it just gives you free arbitrage opportunities. So first of all, you can come look at it. Okay, the coinarbitragebot.com, you can get it there. All right, so on this area you can see the market cap of trending coins, altcoins, and volume, other interesting things. But then let's get straight to the most important part. You can do this on your phone. So I'm going to click on tools on this area and then click on arbitrage here. All right, now you can use these arbitrage tools as much as you like. It gives you a lot of opportunities and what arbitrage traders are looking out for. So you can see there are a lot of exchanges here, so many of them. So you can see there are blue ticks on all of them. So if you want to, maybe you don't bit delta is not working in your country, you can unselect it so you don't see any opportunities from bit delta. But if you want to see opportunities on bit delta, you have to select it. Okay, so basically there are many countries where Bybit, Binance, and other cryptocurrency exchanges don't work in, so you can unselect them. But if you're living in countries where they work in, you can select it. So I basically select everything because sometimes I want to see everything. All right, so you've selected all exchanges. This base currency is where you want to put in your base currency. Now I love using the US dollar as my base currency. It shares some very important things, and of course I just love using US dollars. That's what works for me. You can choose yours. Select minimum arbitrage percentage. This simply means that what is the minimum amount of money in percentage you are willing to make. So I just want to see, I want to make at least 1%. Okay, just give me at least 1%. All right, so I select 1%, which means I will not see any opportunity that is less than 1%. So here is a captcha. You just have to enter this text on this area. So of course, this is actually a very simple thing to do. Just to confirm, a robot, and then you click on submit. And the moment you click on submit, it's going to open up the arbitrage portal for you. Now there are so many ads on this platform, but I will advise you just ignore them and just focus on the most important things. So once you have passed the captcha, you're going to get straight into the arbitrage part of things. All right, so I'm not going to calculate anything for you, but you're going to use your mind to do it, the maths. You can do your calculations by yourself. Now this is because I don't want to paint anything as a get rich quick scheme. So here you can see the list of coins, the list of opportunities here, and these are the list of exchanges. So they are divided into rows and columns. Okay, so for example, let's look at this coin ASR3S USD. Okay, USD is on all of them because we chose USD as the base currency, don't forget. So this, which means that we can use US dollars or USDT to do our buying and also take profit in USDT. So on Ascendex, this coin is trading with the price 0. So the price of this coin on Ascendex is 0. That's what it means. The price of this coin on Asbit is 0. The price of this coin on Bioeconomy is 0. The price of this coin on Big One is 0.166. So you can actually see, okay, where is it sold higher than 0.166 or lesser than 0.166. You're going to scroll down, of course, so that we can move to the end and see if any other exchange is selling higher or lower. Okay, so you can see this one is selling at Bitrue is selling at 0.9. Okay, which means this could be our buy exchange, this could be our sell exchange. But there's some things I'm going to actually share later so you can understand. All right, this is just comparing prices so you can understand what this feels like. You can scroll down, and the amazing thing about this bot or this website is that you're going to see all the opportunities here, very well. You can do this with your phone. Okay, and one reason why it's so long like this is because I selected all the crypto exchanges. So if you selected few crypto exchanges, you might just see only few opportunities. All right. So without wasting much time, I think we can see the percentage, the spread. Most people call this profit, but I call it spread. Okay, you see the spread at the end. Now this is not your profit, even though many people call it profit. This is because once you buy on those two exchanges that have been shown, you definitely, this is the percentage between the highest price and the lowest price. Okay, from this particular crypto. Okay, this first column, you can see all columns have their percentage spread. Okay, from the highest down to the lowest. So this is the percentage spread. People call it profit, but I call it spread. Okay, this is the percentage spread between the highest and the lowest. All right, so you can actually do your own research. The reason why I don't regard it as profit is because there will still be fees and a lot of things apply. So I'm also going to talk about some big mistakes people make using this particular platform, so you have to understand that. All right, so let me just scroll back and see other amazing stuff here. Okay, the platform is actually very free, and of course it is actually cool to use. Don't forget, you don't deposit on this platform. Okay, so avoid anything that involves you paying money on anywhere or to anyone. All right. Now you can see this other one, fuel USDT, is also here, and this is the price of fuel on Ascendex, because Ascendex is just above. This is the price of fuel on Binance. Okay, so you can check which of them is bigger, which of them is smaller. Of course, which of the price are bigger or smaller. This is where you can know how to navigate yourself and your buying areas, your selling areas. And I think by now you already understand the logic, so I don't need to start going through all of them, right? I don't need to start going through all of them. If you are smart, you have known exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now you can actually go down, 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 down to see a lot and a lot. Okay, there are a lot of them here. Now, what are the disadvantages or what are the mistakes people make using this platform? First of all, most of these coins are not popular coins, so you may not even find them. Most of these coins are not popular coins, so the exchanges which we might want to buy or sell them are not too popular. For example, you can see this particular as but a big one. Okay, not everybody can create an account on big one, because sometimes it may not even be possible to use in your country. So if you are watching from Ghana, Kenya, you may not even be able to create an account, or even if you're able to create an account, you may not be able to verify. Even if you're able to verify, big one may not be a reputable brand for you to use. Before you use any exchange, you have to make sure that it is a reputable one, and I prefer using very popular exchanges, like Binance, BingX, Bitfinex, Bitget, Bitom, Bitmart, Bitstamp, and all of those ones. So all of these ones that you have not heard about, you really, really have to avoid them. All right, you have to avoid them. So don't, you can see Coinbase is also here. They are very popular ones: Bybit, Coinbase, Changely, Bitmix, Bitstamp. They are very popular platforms here. So try as much as possible to avoid trading or buying or selling on exchanges that you know nothing about. This is the biggest risk people face, because sometimes people just go deposit their money on exchanges they've never heard, simply because they found an opportunity, and it could lead into terrible loss of total capital. You have to understand that that is one of the biggest mistakes people make, because they think they want to make profit and they refuse to use reputable platforms. All right, that's one thing. Now, the second thing is that you see this one showing red, or this one showing red, it means a lot of things. There are two types of, in fact, there are three of them. You can see red, you can see green, and you can see white. The one that doesn't have any red or green are regarded as white. Then this one is red, this one is green. Now, what does green and red means? Red simply means that there's a problem with this exchange by economy, and there's a problem with this exchange by economy, or there's a problem with this coin on this exchange, all right, by economy. So anything you want to do, you have to just avoid this. Okay, particularly only use green or white. For example, you can see SPF on USD is around Ascendex is around 0.3494. Comparing the prices, you can see 0.5992. So I personally may prefer comparing these two exchanges or using these two exchanges than using these two exchanges, because Even though, yeah, the price margin is actually there, but you can end up being in so much trouble because one is red and one is green. So I prefer maybe using this one and this one. Okay, I hope you get the logic, you get the points. I hope you do get that. So these are the things involved. And again, a lot of people are saying they prefer paid platforms to this kind of platform because this one involves so much stress. Yeah, this particular video is made for people who don't have money or have very little money to pay for subscriptions on other sophisticated platform. Yes, this is not the best arbitrage platform out there, but it is actually very cool for people who are starting out from the scratch, who don't have so much, and of course who can do their research. So definitely there are other advanced arbitrage platforms like your arbitrage scanner. The link is in the description under this video, so you can go check it out. I use Arbitrage Scanner. It's very advanced because it shows you all the complete fees you have or you need to know. This particular platform do not show you any fees, so you have to do your research by yourself. All right, that is what you get when you're making use of free platforms. And trust me, I've used it, but then I used it when I was actually starting out. So right now I don't use it anymore. This is simply because I can purchase subscriptions for advanced platforms, but it doesn't mean it's bad. It is actually very nice, but you have to do further research, and I think I've done a lot of justice to this particular topic. I may make this video again in the future in case there's some new changes on their platform. So if you have any question regarding the website, or if you have made use of it, or you want to learn something new about it, you can leave the you can leave your thoughts or comments in the comment section area. Definitely I'll find it. For now, have a very wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.